Welcome guys back to another Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a true first-person camera that follows the character around. So the first thing, what? Okay, move it around now. Okay, good. So the first thing you're going to want to do is drag your camera onto the mesh of the character. Then the next thing you're going to want to do is under sockets, click here and search for head and select the head. And the next thing you're going to do is use pawn control rotation. This will make sure that you can actually turn with your mouse cursor. Under third person character, use control rotation yaw. Perfect. Now if I compile and save it, and if I launch it, then here we are. And it bobs up and down with the moving of the character. We can see our own arms. If we jump, it feels more realistic. If we want to see more of the arms, we can simply move the camera a little more down. Okay, perfect. So now let's try playing again. There we go. And now we can see more of the arms. And that's the end of today's Unreal Engine 4 tutorial. If you like this video, I hope you'll subscribe and come back to watch more. Bye.